So today we're in the small Cornish town of Mousehole, otherwise called by Mousehole by us.
Just doesn't feel right to say Mousehole.
No, it doesn't. It's near Penzance, so we just parked up at a place called Newlyn and had a 30-minute coastal walk. And we'll have a look around the town. Let you know what we think of it.
Oh yeah, it's very good.
I'd like to see it at Christmas.
Would you? Do you think it would be more special?
I think so.
Another mouse. Look at these. Oh.
I wonder where the name comes from. Is it just Mousehole because it's small?
Yeah, maybe.
Like these?
I'm not really sure if I'm honest. They are nice, but I can't imagine them anywhere. They're just spinny things.
But outside? At night?
Yeah, probably. Why is there no couple with a mouse on it?
Yeah, it's missing the trick out of it.
Yeah.
Cornwall one.
Yeah, it's just pastries again.
There's Mousehole one here. And that's something else, isn't it?
Oh yeah, it is.
I'm not a big fan.
No, not really.
Homemade. Nice fashion.
That's ridiculous. Sort of postcards with mouses.
I'm hungry.
Yeah, for a Cornish pasty, I'm always hungry. Look at them bookmarks.
It's nice, isn't it? I don't know what you do with it.
Yeah, it's really nice. Reminds
Cornwall
you.
edition.
Oh no, I think we might have to buy that as well. We'll have like 3 monopolies now.
53, something like that. It was the first time it was written down as a model. So there's nobody around.
Okay.
And people say it's the shape of the harbour, but that end, half that harbour wall was there in 1200, but the rest of it wasn't, and that one wasn't. So it wasn't that shape. There's a cave that's just round. You can't walk to it; you can see it from the sea, which is that shape. But that's an attic from an underground. From a tin mine, and they didn't start underground mining until the 1500s, so it had already been done. The one that makes more sense, but is we've had people trading for tin from the Middle East for 2,500 years plus, and if you came by boat, Mousehole would have been the first place you get fresh water. And apparently, Mousehole in wherever Phoenicia was, I don't know,
Yeah.
was fresh water.
Okay.
But
That makes more sense.
It
then.
does,
Yeah.
but who actually knows? Because it's like a long time ago.
Yeah. All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Because it's quite a pretty town, but there isn't that many things to do, is there?
No, not really.
So we've already eaten a large breakfast. Looks like a nice shop.
Yeah.
So we're not that hungry for lunch, are we?
No. Definitely not right now.
But you basically got small little alleyways and small little streets. And obviously if you're new to these kind of towns, if you're not from the UK, then you'd probably be quite interested in it. It's quite different, isn't it?
Yeah, definitely.
Like when a lot of foreigners, like through work, I knew some American people and they were shocked at the size of the roads in the UK and the size of the car parks. But we've been to quite a few places where there's like little alleyways, haven't we?
Yeah, we have.
Can you remember where?
Um,
Obviously you've got York, you've got the Shambles in York.
yeah.
I can't remember where else. Stratford had a few.
Yeah, a few little roads.
Yeah. Saying that it'd be like a perfect place to retire
Yeah.
or live if you want a really calm, relaxing atmosphere. So, let's have a look at prices.
Was it up?
1.15 million.
Oh my god, it looks gorgeous.
That's nice for 430, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Is that the view?
I think so.
Oh, it's there, look. You see that white dot there?
That's alright.
Yeah.
So it's like towards the top of the hill. That's the view from there.
That's 2/3.
It's really nice.
Can't see the one that we have.
This little memorial to the Grenfell disaster. I don't know why here, but it's nice, isn't it?
Yeah, very wonderful.
Same fashion as you, this guy.
It's really cute though. But that's not really a doggy though. We're going up the hill now. That's a challenge.
Look,
Yeah?
don't you think this place is absolutely magic?
Magic.
This place.
I mean, it is.
Southwest coast path this way.
But
Walk up to the slope to the right of the builder's yards, turn left onto the road. This way.
I mean, it says this way and then this way.
Depends which way you're going.
Trying to confuse us. So we decided we'd go that way. Up the hill. Is it?
That chimney.
Where? Oh, I think it is. They're just sleeping. Actually next to the farm, and got some gorgeous views on the cows in meadows, which is actually really sweet because they are very pretty. And yeah, obviously we've got a lot of greenery around, which is very nice, but I would like to show you more of the inside of the pod. So yeah, that's how it looks when you enter. If you look straight, obviously we can see a very nice bed, two bedside tables with a light. We've got a little window, a little mirror, a little decorative piece. We've got a lovely light on top, and to my right we can see a comfy chair. Sorry, my shoes are making a lot of noise. And you can see my shoes in the microwave. Well, I'm already making some coffee, so I need to stir that. That looks a bit bitty. It's just a little cappuccino latte thing. We've got a little fridge, which included, didn't include chocolate, that's our chocolate, water and milk. We've got lots of tableware down there, more cups and cutlery, a few glasses, tea, coffee, sugar and the kettle. A lovely decorative piece again with some smelly thing. This basket is for dirty tableware, I believe. If we look right again, that's another lovely chair with extra blanket. We've got quite a few in here as well, so shouldn't be cold, but it's quite warm today. It's a nice day, so I'm not sure we would need those. That's another coffee that I made. Some lovely scones with a lot of strawberry jam, a lot of booklets for Cornwall attractions. It also provided fire extinguisher and a bin. So that's really everything you need. We've also got our suitcase, and let's see what else we got on the outside. We've got lovely 2 chairs to sit on in the evening or during the day, have a lovely cup of coffee, a fire pit, which is amazing. We didn't even expect that, we didn't even know it's there. And if you look at the back, we've got our shower and the toilet, which is actually amazing. So we've got everything we need, a lovely view, peaceful nature, and it's really nice and quiet, and I think that's a great getaway from all the, you know, city worries and everything.